Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make a very popular Portuguese soup called Caldo Verde. It's very easy to make and you only need 4 main ingredients: potatoes, onions, garlic and spring or collard greens. Traditionally, you serve this soup with chorizo sausage, which of course I'm going to replace it with a delicious vegan option, which is really worth trying. Start by cooking the sausages you're using according to the pack instructions. In the meantime, peel and cube the onions and garlic and set aside. Also, peel and cut the potatoes into medium-sized cubes and rinse it under cold water a couple of times. Now, heat the olive oil in a large saucepan and fry the onion and garlic over a medium-low heat for about 3 or 4 minutes, stirring occasionally. Then add the potatoes, cold water, and a little seasoning. Cover with the lid and bring the pan to the boil. Then turn the heat down and simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes with the lid on. While the potatoes cook, prepare the spring greens. First, discard any discolored or damaged outer leaves. Then, using a sharp paring knife, remove the central tough white stem from each leaf. Cut each half of the bigger leaves into 2 smaller pieces and stack them 4 or 6 at a time in a single pile. Roll them up very tightly, like a cigar, and cut into wafer-thin strips. You can save the kale stems to make a delicious dish, so don't miss my next video to see how to use them. Now, put all the greens into a large container and under a running tap. Thoroughly wash them and drain with the help of a colander. Repeat this process 3 or 4 times and set aside. Using a fork, check if the potatoes are cooked. When ready, they should fall apart. Turn off the heat and using a stick blender, puree the soup. Then turn up the heat again, stir in the greens and once more bring the pan to the boil. Reduce the heat to the lowest and let the greens cook uncovered for about 8 or 9 minutes, stirring occasionally. Taste the soup and, if necessary, add a little more seasoning, according to your taste. In the meantime, slice the cooked sausage into medium-sized pieces. Ladle the soup into bowls and top each one with 4 or 5 slices of chorizo sausage and an extra drizzle of virgin olive oil if you wish. You can also serve with olive bread or any other rustic style bread. That's it for today. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more easy and tasty vegan and vegetarian recipes.